Hello, dear students. This is the online video of class second. Students, today we will do some book work of our unit second. I want. In the previous video, we have studied the chapter and did the question answers, word meaning also. So now we will do and understand some book work. The first is reading is fun. Put a right tick or a wrong tick against the following sentences. We have to put right or wrong, okay, in these boxes. One has been done for you. Okay, the one sentence has been done for you. The first sentence is the little monkey wants to be big and strong. So this is the right statement. So it is done also. There is a right tick, okay. Second is a wise omen does not hear him. A wise omen does not hear him. This is a wrong statement. So here we will put wrong. She gives him a vent. It is right. Okay. The giraffe stretches his long neck. Right. The elephant has not drunk. Wrong. The elephant usually has drunk. Okay. The zebra has strips, right? And the last is the little monkey sees a monster in the river. So uh, the little monkey sees a monster in the river कि little monkey को river में monster दिखाई देता है. So it is wrong because it was not a monster, it was himself. It was himself, the little monkey. Okay, so it is wrong. Okay, it was because the little monkey was looking like a monster, but it was not really a monster. Okay, dear students. So next is our word building. Match the animal to its group. We have to match it to its group. The animals are bee, cow, lion and bird, and their groups are here within the picture. Okay, there are pictures also. So we have to match. We have to match the bee with the bees, cow to the cows, lion to the lions and bird to the birds. So these are the group of animals in the collective noun. Okay, so a bee, a swarm of bees, because there is a group of bees, so group of bees is called a swarm of bees. Next is cow, and the group of cow is here. Okay, so we will say to it a herd of cows, because a group where there is a group of cows, we should call it a herd of cows. Okay, next is lion. To the group of lions we call it a pride of lions. Okay, and next is bird. To the group of birds we call it a flock of birds. Okay, dear students, a flock of birds. Okay, next is, let's write. The monkey wrote to his mother, I look awful. Okay, dear students. The monkey wrote, I look awful. But dear students, look at this sentence. Is it looking correct? No. There are some mistakes. Okay. So we have to correction them. हमें इन mistakes को correction करना है. I. See, we do not write the I like this. Okay. We always write the I like this. Okay, I look awful, and then there is not he has made two mistakes. What are they? Write this sentence correctly. So we have to write the sentence correctly. The I is in the I is wrong, and the second is we have to put a question, full stop after the awful. Okay, dear students, full stop. So we have to write I look awful and then full stop. Okay, dear students, this is the full stop. Okay, then the two mistakes are that I is not written correctly and there is no full stop. Okay, we have to put a full stop here. Okay, after awful. Next is put the letters in order to make a word. We have to put the letter in order to make a word, and two has been done for you. Two words has been done for you. Two words has made the make a proper word. Okay. The first is O2. O2. If we put it in the in order, then it makes TO2. Okay. Next is SI. SI makes IS is, and then EH. EH makes HE he. GIB. GIB makes BIG big. In the second line, MIH. MIH makes HIM him. SIH. SIH makes HIS his. REH makes HER her, and NAC makes CAN can. Okay, dear students. Next is look at the pictures, count and write. You have to look at the pictures and count and write. So the pictures are zebra, elephant, first is giraffe, then elephant, then zebra, and then frog. Okay. Then the next pictures is in the next second next column. In the third column, there are two giraffes, then three elephants, then four zebras, and six frogs. Okay. So we have seen the pictures that one giraffe, then two giraffes, one elephant, then three elephants, then one zebra, then four zebra, then one frog, then six frogs. Okay. So we have to write now. Count and write. There is one giraffe. We will write two giraffes. Okay. One elephant, then three elephants, one zebra, then four zebras, and one frog, then six frogs. Okay. So, and in this we will put S and S. Okay. So dear student, this is your book work. If you have book, do it in your book only. Okay. If you have not book, so you can understand by this video. Okay. Okay, thanks.